Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the materials and crafting the bed so you can set a spawn point. First, cut down trees for 15 wood and kill silkworms or spiders for 5 silk. Make sure a workbench or loom is nearby. Once you have materials, open the crafting menu and craft the bed immediately. This saves time and prevents backtracking. You'll be ready to place it inside a valid house as the next step. Keep tools equipped for quick adjustments. Next, prepare a proper shelter so the bed functions correctly and NPCs can move in. Make a small room with a solid floor, background walls, a door or platform, and a light source. Add a table and chair to meet housing criteria. Place the bed on a solid block inside that room. Once done, make sure there's enough space and the walls are player-made. This ensures the game recognizes the room as valid. If you follow these steps, the bed will be usable to set spawn. To finish, interact with the bed to assign your spawn point. You'll see confirmation if it worked. Test it by teleporting far away or deliberately dying to confirm you respawn at the bed. If it doesn't set, check common problems: missing background walls, insufficient furniture, wrong room size, or obstructing objects. If issues persist, move the bed to a freshly built valid house and retest. This one troubleshooting tip usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.